Today we are going to look on inverse functions. So we need to think about the title, inverse. The word inverse helps us to understand that you're doing the opposite or the reversal. So if the original formula or function is 2x minus 5, we think about it. 2x means 2 times x. So the reversal or the opposite of multiply, we're going to divide. And minus 5, instead of subtracting the opposite of it, you're going to add. So there's a 3-step procedure to doing inverse operation. Let us do the steps. First step is to let the f of x be y. As you would have learned that in function notation, f of x equal 2x minus 5 is the same thing as y equal 2x minus 5. So we just really want to make it simpler. Instead of having 2 letters, we just make 1 letter. So we simplify it by just substituting the f of x and just put y. So the first step is to do that. Let f of x be y. So we say y equals 2x minus 5. First step. Second step is to interchange x and y. What do we mean by interchange? We mean we want to switch it around. Where you see y, you're going to change it and put x. And where you see x, you're going to change it and put y. So that's the second step. Interchange x and y. So here we go. X equals 2y minus 5. And then the third step, all we simply do is to solve for y. So if we're going to solve for y, make y the subject of the formula, we want to have y alone on the right-hand side. So first, we're going to get rid of the minus 5. Once we carry it over the equal sign, it's going to be the opposite operation. So opposite of subtraction is addition. So we're going to have x plus 5 equals 2y. Okay, now the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to carry the 2 over and we're going to divide. So it's going to now be x plus 5 divided by 2 equals y. But of course, the question started with f of x and we are to find f inverse of x. Okay, I forgot to put the x. F inverse of x. So then you're going to end with saying, therefore, f inverse of x is equals to x plus 5 divided by 2. Now with this simple equation, notice we did the opposite. We had a minus 5, we have plus 5. We have times 2, now we have divided by 2. So for the second one, B, we're going to find the inverse of g of x. So we're going to let g of x be y. First step. Second step is to interchange x and y. So this is now x. This is y squared plus 3. And then we solve for y. So we need to get rid of the plus 3. It's going to be x minus 3 equals y squared. So the opposite of square would be square root. So if we want to get rid of the square, we square root both sides. So it's now going to become square root of x minus 3 equals y. And so therefore, g inverse of x is going to be equal to the square root of x minus 3. That's it.